My name is Beatrice Akinyo-Wino. I'm the founder and director of Bebea Community Organization. Bebea Community Organization is about girls and women empowerment. We empower vulnerable girls and women. So in that context, we have different initiatives. We have student sponsorship program. We sponsor children through secondary school education. Apart from that, we have a tailoring and dressmaking center. In that program, we have young mothers, single mothers, without income, generating jobs. They have been undergoing a training for 8 months now. They just sat for their practical exams. So at the end of this week, they should be getting their certificates of completion. They have made us really proud, despite the challenges they face from scarcity of basic needs. They trek to the site between 2 to 3 hours. None of them dropped. So it's something that we are very proud of, and we want to celebrate them by hosting an event that is also in the context of garment, in the garment industry. Apart from the two programs, we also do menstrual hygiene education in primary and secondary schools around Siaya, where Bebea CBO is registered and is operating.
Kwa majina naitwa Sylvia Koth Auma. Mimi ni mwanafunzi hapa Bebea. Tunasoma kuhusu kushona na manguo tofauti tofauti. Na hii kushona imetusaidia sana kama sisi wanawake wadogo. Inatusaidia kujimudu kimaisha, na watoto wetu hatukui tu wanawake hivi hivi. Kwa wasichana wenzangu wenye wako pale nje, advice naweza wapea, saizi wasichana tunateleza kwa njia mingi tofauti. But hiyo sio kumaanisha hiyo ndo mwisho wa maisha. Bado tunaweza endelea mbele na kwa hizi kazi za mikono. Usione kazi yoyote ya mikono ni mbaya. Like hii kazi ya charani watu wengi waipendi, but iko na manufaa yake.